Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding a drummer track immediately. Choose a drummer and musical genre to get a reactive kit and preset patterns. Once you pick tempo and time signature, record a short loop so the drummer adapts to your song's groove. Make sure to engage follow to have the drummer react to MIDI or audio regions and enable fills for transitions. This sets the foundation so you can edit performance, not craft basic timing, which keeps your focus on musical decisions. Once the basic drummer part is playing, you shape its behavior by tweaking complexity and loudness to match your arrangement's energy. Higher complexity adds rhythmic variation while loudness changes attack and presence. Open the drummer editor to swap cymbals, tom patterns, and hit type so that each part complements your track. If you need microcontrol, convert a region to MIDI, then tweak velocities, quantize lightly, or move hits. This is why you start with performance, then refine with MIDI for precise edits. To finish, decide whether to bounce the drummer track in place or export separate stems for full mixing control. Bouncing saves CPU and preserves the human feel. When timing feels off, avoid heavy quantize. Instead, use subtle quantize or humanize functions to maintain groove. If you run into problems, check for kit bleed between tracks, excessive compression in the drummer kit, or tempo drift in the project. Fixing those resolves most artifacts, and if all else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.